Hello everyone, welcome to the Betikrame Tech YouTube channel. One of our cooling fan motor is tripped. We will find out for what reason the motor tripped. After finding the trip reason, then we have to remove the fault to run the motor. We opened our controlling circuit breaker and found that there two numbers HRC fuse is burnt. So we opened our connecting cable from the motor to the circuit breaker. At first in field we measure the insulation resistance by measuring grounding to our motor cable. There we saw that the insulation resistance is not sufficient, somewhat lower valued. So again we opened the cable from the insulator and then again measured the insulation resistance from grounding to motor cable. We saw that it is okay and sufficient and higher value, and again we measured the insulation resistance of the insulator 3 numbers, and there we found that 2 numbers insulator is not showing the accurate result. So we found that the insulation resistance is not sufficient. At that time we opened the insulator unit from the base and then we measure again the insulation resistance of the insulator by measuring, and also found that it is not okay, and then somewhat heated, and again we measured that the insulation resistance is increasing. So we clean the insulator unit and then heat up the insulator. On the other hand, again after heating up the insulator, we measured the insulation resistance of the insulator by measuring and found that it is showing okay and higher value. But moreover, to improve the insulation resistance from our connecting base to insulator, we collect some insulation paper and we design the size of the paper same size of the insulator base, and then cut it and then insert this 3 numbers insulating paper on the bottom side of the insulator, and again we connect the insulator on the base and then connect the motor cable. On the other hand, finally we insert the fuses, rated fuses, and last we start the motor and found that everything is okay and no problem, and the motor is running. In this way we raise the insulation of the insulator and removed our fault. Thanks to all for watching this video.